We have a weather impact alert for that. And that's our way here at 10 Tampa Bay, just giving you a heads up about the weather. Sometimes it's severe weather, right? Sometimes it's just inconvenient. And I think it's more inconvenient tomorrow. So when? 5 a.m. to 9 a.m. And I think actually it's closer to 5, 6 a.m. in the morning. So if you can push that morning commute back, that might help you out. The impact is just showers and storms, but some heavy downpours, so you get some potting on the roadways out there. And really, you just need to add a little bit extra time for that morning commute or push it back, as I mentioned, because definitely looks like it could be soggy in some areas, especially just before the sun comes up if you're up early. Now, we have some rain now. If you notice, a lot of this is starting to thin out. Nothing like the coverage that we had earlier. Wow, this storm up in Citrus County is thinning out, pushing offshore, but not before it dropped 3 to 5 inches of rainfall. We have a flood advisory until 6:45 for this area, which of course includes Crystal River. If you look at some of the totals, these reds, especially right here near Crystal River downtown, that is about 6+ inches of rainfall. We're now estimating from the radar 7.2 inches of rainfall. That's the last 12 hours. That's all today. All right. That is amazing. Now, terrible to get a whole lot in a short amount of time, but the flooding hasn't been too bad, but there is some flooding in that area. 5 inches just to the east of there. In fact, 5 to 6 to the east of there. You can see some pretty decent rainfall totals, 1 to maybe 2 inches for many folks for today. Now, this stuff is more building off to the south and the west, so I don't think we get a whole lot more rain down through Hernando and Citrus County, Hernando and Pasco County, and down into Hillsborough and Pinellas. You can see Pinellas still dry here, but look at all the folks still out there on the beach. Water temperature is 87. Wind is light, but when it does pick up, it's out of the west coming off of that water. It's 81 degrees right now. Rain-cooled air feels like 84. Our actual temperatures, 81, we'll be in the mid-80s by about 9 o'clock tonight. They're going up as we go through the next 4 to 5 hours. 81 in Tampa, 102 in Oklahoma City, 99. I mean, look at that heat up across the Central Plains, man. All right, now here we go into tomorrow morning. That's around 2:30, 3 o'clock in the morning. Look at that. That's what I was saying. You're going to wake up to some showers and storms. Some of those will be heavy at times. But then by 9 o'clock, it's almost all done. That first half of the day is our best chance to see showers and storms tomorrow. There'll be a couple, especially trying to get inland by the afternoon hours, but the better part is right there, first part of the day. Now as we go out through Wednesday, look at Wednesday morning. So far, so good. A stray shower. Wednesday afternoon will fill in those afternoon showers and thunderstorms. So all week long, in fact, I think we get better rain chances on Thursday through the weekend. So here we are. Temperatures going up the next several hours, then slowly back down through the 80s. Tomorrow, we have our weather impact alert through 9 a.m. We'll make the upper 80s to near 90. That's the good news. We start very warm and muggy in the morning. Think foggy windows at the house, right? But then the afternoons only get up in the upper 80s because of the extra clouds and rain. We will have a lot of wind, 10 to 15 knots. You can see it all blowing in for boating. Boating is just not good. We have a high surf advisory out there, so watch for rip currents if you're going that way. Look at the rain coming up. Thursday, Friday, Saturday. We will likely issue a weather impact alert for Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. That includes this upcoming weekend. Look at all the rain. That's just estimated. Now, don't ever look at actual numbers when you see something, especially this goes all the way out through Monday. It's about a week's worth. But you can see where we are and where the best chance for rain is. So this will help with the drought. Okay, that's the good news. The bad news is at least a weather impact alert for tomorrow, most likely doing that Thursday through Sunday. It's not severe weather, but it's inconvenient. Weekend plans, they look pretty soggy, and I would expect a lot of clouds around, especially Thursday through Sunday.